some animals in our home, right? Let us round them if they are in this picture. In this picture, I would say we may have lizard, black ant, rat, dog, cat, cockroach. These may vary from person because some are not found in one's house but may found in others. So, answers differ here. Now we shall learn about sounds of the animals by this beautiful song. Bow bow, says the dog. Meow meow, says the cat. Cock-a-doodle-doo, says the cock. Croak croak, says the frog. The sheep bleats. Quack quack, says the duck. The lion roars. The elephant trumpets. The snake hisses. The cow moos. The sparrow says chirp chirp. So, this is about the lesson animals around us.